Good afternoon, fellow Plexers. Today's video is for Jason, and the topic is going to be smart collections based on TV show networks. So here's my Plex server, and I'm in the collection tab, and you'll see I have plenty of smart collections that fit that bill. The gear in the upper right hand corner denotes a smart collection versus a manually made one. So it all starts in the library tab. You click here where it says add to, and then you drop down to create smart collection, and then you can start sorting by options. So instead of show title, I will sort by network. And let's do CBS. So you see there's CBS and there's CBS All Access. I'll pick that, and I have 7 shows. If I change to CBS, now I have 32 shows, and those other shows may not be in there. If I want to include both those under one general heading, I would hit the plus again, change show title to network, and then go look for CBS. Now you could use the drop down arrow, or you can just start typing. So remember, we have 32 shows. I'll add this in. And let me change this to any of the following, and now I have 39 shows.
You have an informational message.
If I have this on all of the following, both of these would have to be in each group. Each show would have to be in each group to show it. But any of the following, I pick them all up. So if I drop out CBS, I'll go back to the original 7. So let's add in the other one again and then save it. It's as easy as hitting save as or the drop down menu to save as collection, and we'll call this CBS-test. I'll create it, and now if I go back to my collections and drop down, you'll see I have my original CBS library with 32 items and the new one that includes the extra shows. So this means I missed an opportunity with my original smart collection, so I can go in, I can edit it, and now I can fix that, just like we did to create the test one. Change back to network is CBS All Access. We'll change this again to match any of the following. And now I have the 39. I'll update collection this time. Go back into my collection tab, and you'll see now I've picked up those extra shows. Now I have this collection sorted from oldest to newest. And I can edit that, well, not edit, I can change the collection filters. 3 dots, edit filters, and if I wanted to sort this collection by newest to old, I could reverse the sort. So now the arrow is going down, and now I have the most recent shows first. Updating the collection saves that. So what I also do is I assign custom artwork. You can get this from the poster database. You can get these type of posters, and I just Google an image and throw it in. Actually, this is the hardest part about creating my smart collections, finding the background image that I like. So it's pretty easy, and I do want to show you a couple tricks before I end this. You'll notice I have an Apple TV Plus collection and one for documentaries. Well, to make that, let me edit the filter. I have to match all of the following, have the genre be or is not documentary, and the network is Apple TV. So that removes any documentaries from this collection. And then I do the opposite on this documentary collection. I'm still sorting by the network of Apple TV, but now the genre has to be a documentary. And if I change this to any of the following, this is going to add in any documentary, whether it's on the Apple TV network or not. So these rules are a little fun to learn. They're a little funny to learn, but they're fun to learn. And then you can add group modifiers to one or the other, which makes it more complicated. So if I have a really complicated collection, I'm going back to school. I'm looking at collections I made to kind of figure out how all this works again. But for a simple network collection, it's really easy. And I can't remember if smart collections are a Plex Pass feature. I think they might be, but don't quote me. And then artwork. I like my custom artwork, and sometimes I design my own, or I use another site. What is that site's address? Well, I'll link it in the description, but you can get kind of a template, like this template here, where you can fill your own text in and add a collection label to it, and then put your own graphic in. So that's how I made these two. Also, how I made my sitcom one. So I used the template, which you can pick your different text fonts or the color of the text, and then add your artwork someplace to it. So I'll add that to the description, and if you have any trouble, Jason, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.